The Tecno Spark 30 Pro is easily one of the most impressive smartphones Tecno has ever released, but comparing it to last year's Spark 20 Pro, is it an actual upgrade or just the same smartphone in a new set of clothes? Let's find out. We are going to kick things off with the design and build quality, and if you take a first look at it, things aren't very impressive. Apparently the Spark 30 Pro is made of plastic, which isn't as exciting because that's the exact same material which the Spark 20 Pro was constructed on. If they had gone for a glass or vegan-like finish, I'd have appreciated it more. However, something makes this quite a unique upgrade. If you've been paying a lot of attention to the Spark 30 Pro, you would know that this is the first smartphone Tecno has tagged unbreakable. And I was impressed that despite having a plastic build, it has a lot of strength and can go through a lot of tests, which though I don't recommend you deliberately smashing your phone, it's still impressive to see. Nailing design category, let's see which one comes out on top in the display category, and spoiler alert, you were extremely surprised. So the Tecno Spark 20 Pro brings a 720p IPS panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of brightness. It's pretty good for its price, but yeah, it doesn't even come close to that of the Spark 30 Pro. The 30 Pro brings a 1080p AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1700 nits of brightness. So not only is this a sharper display, it's punchier, smoother and way brighter. That's another point over the 20 Pro. When we look at the performance, this is obviously a very important part because what's the point of upgrading your smartphone if the one you're upgrading to performs similarly or worse? It's something which happened as the Spark 20 Pro Plus performed even worse than the 20 Pro and I wasn't happy. So can the 20 Pro embarrass the 30 Pro in the same way? Powering the Spark 20 Pro is the MediaTek Helio G99 and powering the Spark 30 Pro is the Helio G100. The difference between both chipsets isn't groundbreaking, but it's just noticeable enough to a good extent. In gaming scenarios, using the Spark 30 Pro will feel smoother and more enjoyable. So, I guess the Spark 30 Pro earns its third point. And if you are enjoying this video, kindly click that subscribe button and be a part of our growing family. Thank you so much. Onto the software. Now, I've never been a fan of iOS for multiple reasons. The ads were just too much and the bloatware was sickening. You couldn't even uninstall some apps even if you tried, and most importantly, the software was dead in the water, which made a huge problem for those who wanted to use the phone for 3 years down the line. However, I can see that Tecno has finally tried. The Spark 30 Pro can support a year of OS updates, which means it can go from Android 14 to Android 15, whereas the Spark 20 Pro is just stuck at Android 13 for good. That makes it 4.0. Wow. But what about battery? The battery capacity on both smartphones is similar at 5000 mAh, which is expected. However, I'm impressed they improved the charging speed from 15 watts to 18 watts, which means this phone will take 10 to 20 minutes less to fill up. That makes it 5.0. And now to the big boy comparison, the cameras. The Spark 20 Pro brings a 50MP camera with an auxiliary lens, whilst the Spark 30 Pro brings a 108MP camera also with an auxiliary lens. Combining an improved camera sensor with a higher megapixel count, the Spark 30 Pro is obviously better, even though both smartphones can record video up to 2K, which lands the final point to the Spark 30 Pro. So I guess, taking a look at the end results, you can see that the Tecno Spark 30 Pro is an upgrade from every angle possible. It released at a price of 240,000 naira, which is just 15% higher than the 204,000 naira which Spark 20 Pro released at last year. If you want to upgrade from your Spark 20 Pro, this is a perfect recommendation. However, here's the full review of the Spark 30 Pro while I go in depth on all the specs which I just mentioned to guarantee that you don't make a mistake. Click the card on the screen to check it out.